Alright, so today is a special day. It's my mom's birthday. And we're gonna be giving her a party, so breakfast in the morning. So we'll hook her up. We're on our way to pick her up right now. See what happens. See if she likes it.
Hi, it's my birthday. Hello.
Tell her where you're going.
I'm going to breakfast with my children.
Hold on. Time for what?
Two. I'm missing two, but that's okay. Two out of 7 ain't bad. I mean 7 out of 2, right?
Something.
2 out of 7 something. 2 missing out of 7 is not bad. I had a great birthday. Bye.
You get to drive these new roads.
Nice and smooth.
Thank you, Galvin Springs, for updating your fucking streets. But we'll see what happens when we get to the Black Bear Diner, baby. All right, we made it. Here was the mom, the one who made us all. About to meet up with the sisters. Where's Jenna? I told you we'll be here. Took the long way.
Hi, Mom.
You're weird.
Oh, happy birthday. Let's go to the table.
They're working on it.
Okay.
Where the heck is it going?
How you like my blogger thing? Hold it.
You're ridiculous.
It looks like not even that invasive.
A force will come out.
Yeah, it's not invasive, but who brings this?
Dude, Jenna took the long way. How
You
lame.
gotta keep separately?
Yeah. That's what I said. She got right back. I think supposed to leave early though. I have to leave no later than 10.
Thank you.
Yeah, but what are we here for?
First she was too early, and then she was just too late. I mean, after.
Cool.
Happy
But she
birthday,
got
Mom.
it right. Thank you. I'm missing like it's tomorrow. I'm like, oh.
What a loser.
I told Anthony, oh, 5 out of 7 ain't bad. Well, I said 2, but because 2 of my kids are missing. But still, it's awesome. I had an awesome birthday yesterday. Awesome birthday.
You got an
Yeah,
awesome
the
birthday.
girls gave her present.
They gave me presents. They brought me presents and everything. I was like so surprised. And Michael bought me a cake. Michael's 50 years, gonna be 50 years old. He's never bought me ever a birthday
You
present.
need something from me. What you need, dog?
Because you're here, Mom. You're around.
I was around.
Chris,
2 sweet cream.
I'm gonna get the
cupcakes.
Bigfoot.
So cold here.
What are you gonna get?
Some coffee?
Vanessa act like she's never been in front of a camera. She's camera hogging.
No, I'm trying to give you some good content here.
That's what I tell people all the time. Like, come on, man, say something, bro.
Is it called the boom mic?
No, boom
That's
mic
what they
like
call
this. This is a dead cat. Meow.
I was like, what is that?
I have. Vanessa was like, do you have 2 of those? I was like, yeah, I do. Because I have a recorder to record sound, and it has the same thing on it. And then she was like, why do you have 2? Don't hate. You can't use paper straws.
Yes, you can. You're supposed to. It's to save the turtles. Don't you see all those turtles with the straws in their noses?
What is that?
Well, you got a boom mic.
Could we watch that?
No? You want me to stop and just re-record for you? I mean, stop, play, and then re-record?
Yeah.
Of course, absolutely. We insist.
I don't think I can put this on my blog for YouTube.
Yes, you can.
Car content.
Yeah, it's all car content, and then there's one day of
And then,
breakfast.
and then
One
there's
day of breakfast.
family. Yeah, it's like family day. My double chin.
Double chins? Like double on top of double?
Double, triple?
Yeah.
Triple, double?
We need the filter to take it out. Anything doubles taken out. Double D's.
Live with all women. I mean, dining with all women.
Dining with all women. You live with
I
all
live with
women
all
too.
You should be used to it. Or Anthony. He runs away from home and he comes to our house and there's nothing but women.
Edit this out.
Except for Daniel.
I always had to have dinner.
Yeah, this thing's big.
I work at Taco Bell, the OC Fair, Rob.
That was after though. That wasn't your very first job. He used to drive the bobtail from his work, and he would go buy beer to drink for his lunch time, right? He'll stop and pick up Anthony and Richard and ride him around the block in the bobtail. And remember how we lived across the street from Grandma and Timmy's? Oh yeah, just so he would go ride the kids around the block in the bobtail, the truck, and then he'd drop them off. He goes, okay, I'm gonna go have my lunch now. And he'd have like fucking 12 pack of Miller Lights in the front seat. I was like, hey.
I remember he was like peeing in bottles.
Then I would do. Oh my god.
Happy birthday from the Blackbird crew. We wish it was our birthday, so we get party today. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Oh my god, that was weird. Oh my god.
Do you want more? Are we okay?
Where's the candle?
God.
Oh, they can't put that in there.
No, with the cherry in my candle. Hello.
Magic candle.
Oh, for that. It's for Daniel.
When literally the whole place was up and not fun, but there's smoke everywhere.
That's why Adrian had told me yesterday when they brought me the cake and I started cutting it. She was, "We're gonna see happy birthday again?" I go, no candles either because I ain't trying to touch the crown fire in here.
Smoking the bear, shut this bear place down.
Oh yeah. Black Bear restaurant shut down on the counter.
You're making us look bad, boy. Alright, so it's pretty cool. They let me come in a little bit late. And we just got back from having breakfast with my mother. So let's get to work, see what's going on in here. Este pinche Luis. What's up, Playboy? That's good. Alright, we're here at work. Let's see what we can do. We got a lot of stuff going on right now. We got the door locks in this one they're doing.
We?
Yeah, me and you.
No.
Juntos.
No.
Then we got Junior right here working on this Honda. The one that came last week because it was such a bad job. Right, though?
Yeah, but look, you put an EQ now, you did all that mess.
He said he was just testing it.
I don't know. I'll just leave it how it is.
Damn, man, people are crazy, bro. People are weird. Can't even see it, it's too dark. Alright, so that wire's done. Let's go see what they're doing in the back. There's the battery box. Cars everywhere. There are cars everywhere. What's going on, boys? And old timers?
Old timer.
That's for Jack.
No.
Jack's old timer.
Who's an old timer?
The one who has the most experience.
Huh?
The one who has the most experience.
I'm not old.
Says a 50-year-old.
Huh?
How old are you? You're 50?
49.
Oh shit. You're my mom's age, bro.
Huh?
My mom's 57.
50 what?
7.
57? Today?
Yesterday.
Yesterday?
Martin is fucking us up today.
that was
He didn't
Martin?
come. He didn't come to work. We're behind. I got employees who are deprived of water and they can't breathe in the back there.
And one installer that we can bring, they don't let us borrow it.
Yeah, they don't let us borrow. They're racist against Moreno Valley. So, you know, whatever. All right, people, stick with us. We'll be back.
That's fucked up. What do you think about it? What is this? 5?
18-inch?
What is this brand? 5?
FI Audio.
Huh?
FI Audio.
What that means?
Fucking idiots. No, I don't know. FI is the
FI?
It's like the original people who started doing the big woofers.
Really? So what that means, FI?
Fucking idiots. Because nobody can put the right amount of power. Sorry, amigo. Sorry for that.
Hey, did you see the come this way, Anthony?
Oh shit, California, US of A.
Anthony.
What?
What do you call these guys? Off for show and off for what?
All for show, but not for go. I told them we're gonna open up a shop next to them because there's an abandoned building, We're gonna be all for go and they'll be all for show.
You told them?
No, I told Junior.
0 gauge to the frame, and
No paint chip.
no paint scratch to get a better ground. First of all, you don't do a ground to the frame of the seat because
Sitting on carpet.
the seat is sitting on carpet and paint and stuff like that. Then they have 0 gauge on this ground. They have 2 like 6 gauge because not a real 4 gauge this one. And then they go on this side 1 6 gauge and 1 6 gauge from ground. And look at the wire to send power to 2 18s.
It's a joke.
You use this for a 6x9. A single 6x9.
It's just loquito, güey. You see this?
There's a reason why
Debauchery?
the amplifier has 4 screws.
Antonio, ¿quieres que le haga agujero para el LED o no?
No, it's me. It's Christian. What's up, Jay? Alright, I'll be back. I gotta help them. And how y'all doing today? It's another beautiful day for vlogging. Sun is now fucking everybody up. Store is open, ready for business. And then, in case you guys don't know where I work here, Audio Systems in Moreno Valley, California. Shout out to them for hooking us up with all the content. And yeah. So now that the dues are due, let's go see what they got in the bag. I have to give shout outs, bro.
Huh?
Your mom said I have to say at least the shop name in every opening scene. Today is overcast, so I will not be needing these little beautiful things, but we're gonna take this one just in case. Let's go check out the back. So it looks like we got the lights hooked up on the Rigid now. Sound system's in. The radio is in. Right there. That's the radio. We just need to do the second battery, and that's it. We had to keep both Cadillacs yesterday. Then we had to keep the Tahoe because there was just a lot of work to not get done. They try to rob you, bro?
Yeah.
Bro, I'm gonna sit outside with a shotty next week. Oh, look at the box. You forgot to give him the rings to paint. Oh, we're gonna wrap those, right? Woo! Did he do a good job? Bro, there's still divots too, like what you guys were worried about. And this is not your fault. People try to be perfect, and this is what you get. This is what you get. I like to put my creamer in my coffee first. That's the way it's always should be. But so we'll go out through the day and see what else goes on today. I know we have a lot of stuff to do, and I know there's a lot of stuff to finish, and I know some more people are coming in, but we'll go through the day and show you. I want to show you the system. We got, I think I showed it to you yesterday, but this is what's in here, and now we gotta fucking fix it because it's a fucking massive mess. Customer went somewhere else to get a job done, and they did a really shitty job. Now we have to fix everything, but just it goes to show, man, try to save money. Oh, wait. Alright, let's go get yelled at by fucking Junior. That's all he knows how to do, bro, is like yell at people. We're working on this Lexus, changing out those factory speakers. They're adding some bass too. Junior here is working on the Ford F-150. No, Ford F-350. Put in a 5-channel amplifier. Replace the rear speakers. And rewiring the head unit. The customer's own subwoofers. The Can-Am is coming out beautifully. Look at these pods that we made.
We?
Oui, baby. I'm fucking French, homie. Let me take this off so you guys can see it. Wow, we did an amazing job on this one, guys. Performance, precision, match with none other than Lewis's best work. Coming along beautifully. Junior, what size subs he has?
I don't know. I didn't even know he had two.
It says his own box. Yeah, he has two tens right there. Yeah, those are speakers. Those are speakers too.
Those are subwoofers.
Bass need love too, Craig.
Subwoofers.
Subwoofer speaker, right?
You didn't
On the
put
box it
subwoofer.
says subwoofer
In your
speaker.
Indiana Jones hieroglyphics, it didn't say fucking subwoofer.
It's called,
should play a
it's called
game.
ancient
Let's go look at your
aliens.
work orders and see if we can translate them.
Yeah, that's a badass
comments.
game.
In the comments.
Screenshot. I don't know why I get yelled at every day. It's not a day that goes by I don't get yelled at. And it's like, it's getting old, you know? They don't even learn how not to do it no more. What you talking about, Willis?
Custom owned. I don't know what's custom.
Customers own.
Does that say customers?
Let me see.
Does it have an M at the end?
Yeah, customer. That's an M. What's an M? Almost a W.
Where's the E and the R?
It's not logistics, bro. Nobody needs to know how to spell correctly.
Check out Wire Steve.
Stereo. Steve. Who's Steve?
Steve right there? That's kind of what it
The
says.
only problem I see on this work order, there's no date. That's it.
And then install own kicker speakers. Okay? So I see the speakers in the seat over there. Yeah, okay. 1 amp kit, a 5-channel amp. Where here does it say subwoofers?
5-channel amp. Why
It
would you
says
put?
right here,
Why would you put
subwoofers.
5-channel?
But you didn't even. I made it simple for you to check it.
Okay, let me get my
And
pen
you
out of
couldn't
my
even
pocket.
check it.
So I carry a pen in the pocket now, so I can make
You
corrections.
couldn't even check
Let me
it.
see. Let me see.
Couldn't even put a check on it.
Customers.
Not even a check on
Is
it.
that hieroglyphic right there?
It says custom. I see custom again.
It says customer, bro. I'm dyslexic, dude. I can't spell it correctly. You know this.
I'm not-
You know this.
I'm not saying spell it correctly. Write it where I can understand it.
How can I write it if I can't write it?
Go fucking read that Anthony is wrong.
These ones, they're not too expensive. They're the same price as the SSV Works and.
No, they're not. More
Yeah.
expensive.
No, they're about the same price.
The kickers? Kickers. So Jay wants to buy Philadelphia?
Fidels?
Fidels? 15s.
The 4?
He said he'll give him $440 right now.
$440 for each one?
For all of them.
110?
To cash him out. 110. He wants to give him 400. I was like, come on, bro. Fucking Jay. Jay's a hustler. Why? You don't even like kicker. You said it yourself. You don't even like kicker though. Why you want to carry the product if you don't like it?
It's not what I, if I don't like them. They don't like me.
Oh, they don't like you. But how do you know if it's not kicker? Maybe it's just the company who represents kicker.
I don't know.
And how come your store gets out at 3 o'clock, bro?
Huh?
They close at 3 o'clock. Linda,
I mean,
3 o'clock today.
In the morning?
They close at 3 o'clock.
this goes at 3 at Saturday.
Saturday they close at 3 o'clock.
Those guys are.
Bro, you got Georgie closing on Saturday. On Friday night he closes for the rest of the week. You got Audio Place closing or Linda closing halfway through the day. Car State Warehouse is what? What are they gonna do next? Rami's gonna be closing on Saturdays too or what? I guess more work for
I
us.
guess when you're rich, you don't care. Right?
So I'm rich, can I take off Saturdays?
You can't even afford a car.
Oh, low blow. Low blow.
I think you're gonna have to work Saturdays, Sundays, and 24 hours.
Christ.
When that car comes in, that payment, bam.